YouTube channel. Stay tuned. I'm now back again with another video. It has been long before I uploaded a video, and today I want to show you how to make bacon with bread. May you stay tuned and let us get started. Light on your gas in a low temperature. You heat your pan. This is the bacon that we're gonna cook. Check whether the pan is hot. Then you add our bacon. Make sure always when you're in the kitchen your hands are clean. Sometimes it's good to surprise your family with a good meal once in a while. Umahanjam. Okay guys. Remember, bacon always have some oil, so it is not necessary for you to add oil. In a raw heat. We will not cook it for long because I want to pre-cook again with the oven. But if you want to eat it fresh, you can cook it for about 10 minutes. If it is 10 minutes in the pan, you add small water, just an inch of water, then you add your bacon. Guys, I'm now back to my YouTube. You shall see me uploading now and then, so that we may have some good meat together. If you are new, subscribe, comment, like, share, and you shall have supported me. Thank you. Continue the cooking. It is a bad step when you add oil. So even if you add oil, just a little bit of oil for it not to stick. It is necessary if you don't add oil. Just steam it in the same pan. Don't need to roast it, reducing the heat item. You add a little bit of salt. It's done. We have bread. This is the bread I want to make. So, and also I have cheese. 12 pieces of bread. Now we want to make a bread burger. Bread burger. Stay tuned. Just remove each. Take your bread. Add a bread burger. 1 piece of bacon. Another slice of bread. Make sure when you are cooking always your hands are clean. Arrange your tomatoes. Take a burger. 1 piece of bacon. Bread. Bacon again. Cover with 1 cheese. Remember you should buy the sliced burger cheese for it to be well done. Cover like that. Then we add a bread. And this one is enough for 1 person. Here, place it like this. You arrange your bread for 3 people. Then I show you what next. When you are done, put it in the oven. My oven is already hot. In a raw temperature at a degrees of 180. Down, usiwashe ya juu, not both, from down. You can cook with your pan. If you don't have an oven, you continuously keep placing with your hand. It shall be done. So I'll be back after some minutes. Result. You can cut it like this. Let me show you. This for 3 people. You can see the blade is crunchy. Na tuna sip. Stay tuned until the next video. Bye bye.